stretch them out a little bit. Here are all the puppies enjoying some little toys I just put in for them. Those guys over there enjoying the wiggly rope. Check it out. Look at them. They're enjoying it. And you got these guys over here. These other little bones, but yeah, they're enjoying their toy. Gotta keep them active. Look at them. With the big chocolate male. And you got the bigger blue tri-female right there. These guys are having fun. Only one puppy available at the moment. It is the black tri. It barely has markings on top of his head, which is that guy right there. That guy. That brother is sold. Yeah. Only one more puppy male available to that black tri. They're all trying to enjoy their new toys. My tri-female, looking wonderful. Check them all out. Wonderful pup. Look at that chest. That's the male that's available right there. Check them out. Check them out. Big little boy. That big chocolate male. I need more toys. Check that boy out.